Hi guys, so there might be some issues with the Exynos powered variant of the Galaxy S22 series. We've had some benchmark tests that shows the Exynos 2200 underperforming compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. But it's not all bad news. There's actually good news about the performance of the Exynos 2200. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So this time, Samsung is using the Snapdragon variant in more regions than before. The Exynos 2200 is mostly available in Europe and Africa, and since the device has been in the hands of some reviewers, we now have some actual benchmarks of the Exynos 2200. Now, the benchmarks are from two different sources and they both have issues. So the first one shows the Exynos 2200 pretty much neck and neck with the Exynos 2100, and in some cases even worse than the Exynos 2100, which is surprising because the Xclipse 920 is supposed to be significantly better than the ARM Mali GPU on the Exynos 2100. Now here's the issue with this test. Tom the Tech Chap ran a similar test on his Exynos powered Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the result is much better than what we see on this one, and really close to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Now, I don't know who's the source of the first benchmark scores, but I'm more likely to trust Tom's results than the former. Now, the second scores came from Ice Universe, and it shows the Exynos 2200 underperforming compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. But this one pretty much destroys itself because it's a 3D Mark test, and this tests the GPU performance, and it shows the Exynos 2100 on par with the Snapdragon 888 in the GPU performance, which we all know not to be true. The GPU on the Snapdragon 888 is much better than what's on the Exynos 2100. It also shows the Exynos 990 outperforming the Snapdragon 865, which is totally bizarre. So this list of scores in itself is self-destructing because there is no way the top part is going to be true and the bottom part is going to be untrue, because it clearly is. I see a lot of people trash talking the Exynos 2200 because of these scores, and I don't understand why Ice Universe will post something as self-contradicting as this, because the Exynos 2200 is actually a really good performer in the real world. And I'm gonna talk about the S22 Ultra's real-world performance in the next video. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.